Hello everyone. This is Father Jason with Monsignor. Nandito po kami sa, ano tong tawag nito, Mons?
Sacrofano Conference Room.
Conference room, yeah. Mons, first day natin, what's your initial impression of what we are attending?
Impressive. It's not strange. It's familiar ground and it's holy ground. Holy ground, I say, because it is God who gathers us. It is Jesus who gathers us. And our experiences are really experiences of beautiful stories. That even crisis events in our lives are also stories to be told in which Jesus has made it possible for us so that we grow as a church. And what I like about it is that kwentuhan You know, maganda. Kwentuhan talaga. Hindi to highly theological na mabibigat, kung hindi kwentuhan ng mga parish priests na yung karanasan ko hindi iba sa karanasan ng iba kahit na anong lahi. Yun ang init ng damdamin na hindi pala ako nag-iisa.
Ang ganda nung sinabi ng isang Monsignor, no, yung ano kanina, yung from Australia ba yun? Australia siya, Sydney. Sabi niya, change nila yung name ng parish council into parish in council.
Yun nga, kakaiba, no? Yung article na yon, no? Parish, nilagyan nila in. Ibig sabihin makabuluhan ang pagiging in council. Parang everybody is actively involved in the church, no?
Parang yun ang tingin ko mo sa dynamic yung word ng parish in council.
Yeah, it's a word that speaks of encounter, conversations, listening, discernment.
Convocation.
Yeah. Kaya ngayon iniisip ko, nililista ko ngayon yung mga youth in council, elderly in council.
First day pa lang, marami may natutunan na tayo, Mons, ha?
Ang dami talaga, ang dami. In lang yun, in lang yun.
Just as ano ba yun?
Very simple article.
Simple article, pero yeah. So we have more days, Mons, and hello to everyone sa Pilipinas, and nandito po kami ni Monsignor trying to learn more and listen more.
Proud to be Pinoy and proud to be Manileño.
Thank you, Mons.